Just pulling up to Protective Film Solutions, you guys. And a little treat right out front. Ryan's got the car. The brand new Marlboro livery McLaren 570 with the Vorsteiner kit. This thing looks insane.
Oh my god, this is amazing.
Wow. Well, let's get out and check this out. Car number one. Wow. Killing it as always, Ryan and the team here at PFS. Now drop a comment, let us know what you guys think of the Marlboro livery. You gotta remember, look, they said first and foremost on their social media, they do not promote Marlboro as a cigarette brand. It just happens to be a very iconic, historic livery from McLaren back in the day on their race cars. So that's why they brought it back. Okay guys, so we're installing ClearBra on a $4.2 million exposed carbon fiber Bugatti Chiron. This is how they tell me apparently they do it here. So, you gotta feel this off. Okay. And, oh, hold on, I think I'm screwing it up already. It's okay, I got this. I got this. It's all good. Oh, this is a mess. I think he said it was, like, we gotta get it wet or something.
Sticky side down.
Okay, I got it, yeah. Sticky side down. Yeah. Yeah. And then you just, hold on. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. And then, you gotta be kidding me, I'm not installing this. But at Protective Film Solutions, this is where they legit install this stuff on multi-million-dollar cars. I can only imagine how many people were like, there's no way Damon's about to install ClearBra. No, I'm not.
I thought you were about to do that.
Did you?
Like, wait, did you get like approval from anyone before you're gonna stick that on?
By the way, Parker's here, you guys.
What's up, dude?
He was freaking out.
I was freaking out.
Anyhow, check out the video. Ryan's gonna tell you how they do it professionally. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Now we're coming from Southern California here at Protective Film Solutions with a good friend of mine, Ryan Townsley.
Hey, what's
Ryan has been protecting the nicest, best, baddest, rarest, most expensive, you name it, super hyper cars in all of North America really. And not rocket science, what's behind me, a $4.2 million exposed carbon fiber body Bugatti Chiron. That was a mouthful.
That was a lot.
I'm actually surprised I did that in one take.
That's a lot for you.
So what we want to talk about is they're not doing like a printed vinyl wrap on this. They do
The Xpel.
Xpel, I want to get the right
Yep.
branding. Xpel, ClearBra, and they do the entire body.
The entire car.
Which is what protects this carbon fiber from getting
Rock chips.
Rock chips.
Rock chips mainly.
Yeah. And so how long does it take to wrap Chiron?
On this car with black and being exposed carbon, it'll take two guys anywhere between 4 and 5 days to do it.
Yep.
And that's about 10-hour days.
Wow.
And there's no kit for it, so this is all done custom.
By hand, right?
By hand.
So when they're doing this, does anything come off the car? They do it all intact.
On the Chiron, we don't take much off.
Right.
Just because it doesn't really need it. The only thing that would have to come off on this car would be the mirrors and the door handles.
Yep.
And where the lines are, we don't need to.
Wow.
So we actually don't have to take much off on this one, so that's a good thing. The only thing we don't do is on the back of the engine bay where the spine comes down the back.
Yep.
In order to do it, you'd have to have 4 or 5 seams, and it would look horrible.
Yep.
So instead of doing the seams back there, we actually ceramic coat that area. So everything in the whole car is done with ClearBra, and then we just do 4 to 5 layers of ceramic coating on there. And it still's protected, it doesn't get scratched, easy to clean. And if you get a rock chip back there, that means you've tipped your car over. So
Fair enough.
it's gonna be the worst, that's gonna be the worst case.
Well noted. If you get a rock chip at the back of the spine on the Chiron, you have done something severely wrong. Now, do you go as far as coating headlights, obviously?
The headlights are coated.
Xpel?
Yes, Xpel on that.
Windshield?
We use the Clearplex windshield film on the windshields.
And I'm just bringing this all up. I kind of know what he's about to say, but I'm pointing it out because a lot of people don't know that you can literally protect everything, right?
Everything.
So walk around. What else do we want to talk about on the Chiron as far as wheels? I know you do something with wheels.
Yes, so the same thing. So this will get done when we're all finished is we'll clean up the wheels and then we'll also put a ceramic coating on the wheels.
Wow.
We'll do it on the wheels, we'll do it on the calipers, makes it so the dust doesn't stick to it. It'll stick to it when you look at it, but when you go to clean it, you spray it with water, do an air blower on it, and it's done. Doesn't water spot anymore, super easy, brake dust doesn't like it.
Beautiful interior. We were looking at this before we came out here. What would you do to protect the interior?
So there is a coating also for the interior. There's one for carpeting, there's one for vinyl, there's one for leather. So each one of them has its own separate product.
Okay.
And definitely you're gonna wanna do it on this. As you can see with that baby blue that's in here, any little thing is gonna stain it.
Right.
And I couldn't imagine what it would cost to replace a seat cover on a Chiron.
10 or 20 bucks.
I'm thinking 10 or 20 bucks.
Yeah.
Per square millimeter.
Yeah. And so where would someone go to pick it up if they weren't from Southern California? Could they order it from you and have it?
Yep, they can order it from us. It's definitely not a user installable as if anybody that wanted to, you'd want to have it done professionally installed.
Okay.
Just contact us and we can tell you who near you would be able to do it for you.
Perfect. What do you do to protect the exposed carbon inside the car, if anything?
This one didn't, but a lot of times we'll do the stealth film. So Xpel makes a shiny version for the paint, and then they also make what they call a matte, stealth, frozen, whatever you want to call it. But we would normally do the inner door panels. Just this customer chose not to do the inner door panels. If it was my car, I'd do the inner door panels.
Yeah, because it's something that I think a lot of people won't realize, but when you're getting in and out of a bucket seat, your feet hit right here. My car is all scuffed up.
Yep, yeah, it needs to be done, but...
And same with all of this. Yep. Amazing. And then at the back of the car, anything special for diffusers or anything of that nature under the car?
Nothing really special. Just continuing. You can see we're right in the middle of doing the install right there, so the film the film's just drying out right now before we'll start to roll the edges. And other than that, it's that. We'll just continue everything. We don't put film on the lights. It's not needed, but we do ceramic coat the lights.
Okay.
Just we want to make it so they don't scratch.
Fair enough.
What we're trying to do.
Amazing.
And wing also gets done, so literally the only thing isn't is the deck bay lid. That's it.
Well, hey, I want to thank you for taking the time to tell everybody and inform everyone how this really goes down, because you know, you can do this on you don't need to own a $4.2 million Bugatti to protect your car.
We have a Hellcat sitting right back there that got the exact same treatment.
Identical.
Exact same.
So $4.2 million car, Hellcat's worth what?
85 grand.
So
70, 80 grand.
So there you go. And they do everything. BMWs. This happens to be one of your personal cars.
Yeah, that's mine. That's what it's got the same thing. We did the clear bra on the front end, and then we did ceramic coating on the rest. So I didn't even do the full car.
Right.
I didn't need it on the M4.
And that's a good thing to know. If you want to do just the front end of your car or the danger spots, like
high impact areas,
behind the high impact areas, behind the wheels and things of that nature, you can just do that and save yourself a few bucks.
Yeah, you don't have to do the whole thing. I mean, our McLaren is fully wrapped, but BMW is just the front end. That's all I need.
Awesome, brother.
No problem. You didn't come down to see me. You came down because it's cold and snowing in Canada.
This is true. I went to Las Vegas and it was cold and raining and it flooded the whole time we were there.
That's why you come to Southern California.
I'm back. I can't wait. I got to bring my car back. We're doing a little tip. We're doing a little redo project on the Huracan.
We're going to do a little makeover.
Makeover. It might need it.
Yeah, it might. It looks like parts have fallen off once or twice.
Thanks for watching, you guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you go and follow Protective Film Solutions on Instagram, also on Facebook. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Okay.
One single piece of crystal, this entire brake light. So we'll get it in a sec. Ryan's gonna show us the headlights. You guys gotta come see this. So we'll get you to stand back and we'll get a good shot of this. One piece of crystal. to the outro squad. We got a few options now while you're here. Definitely smash the subscribe button over to your left and turn on the notification bell so you know when we drop our latest upload. Check out our merchandise on our store at dailydrivenexotics.com. Go and browse the other videos in the archived playlist, or just click on the next suggested video right here, and you guys keep watching my pretty face.